Hi, for today's video, look at this eBay find. New old stock Rolls Royce jet engine bolt from 1983. So new in the box sealed. We have the date of packing here. We have the packing company apparently, the NATO stock number and the bolt reference and probably packaging method. So it must be for some jet engine of this time frame. As you can see, the box is sealed, so it is a little bit sad to open it, but in fact no, because I did not get one of them, I did not get 6 of them, I did not get 12 of them. How many do you think I got? Actually, I got 100 of them. Yes, 100 boxes with one bolt each time. All exactly the same except for the packing date. Interesting. I have no idea of what I will do with them. Probably I will try to sell resell some of them on eBay by 6 or 12 at a time, because obviously I do not need that many Rolls Royce bolts, even if it is super cool to have a new old stock Rolls Royce stuff. So you get the idea. So about this box, before I open one of them, in fact I did already open one, I will check it with my drug dealer scale, which is offset. It is just over 60 grams. Okay, so very old school cardboard box. You can see wrapped with paper here. Luckily enough, I had one smashed envelope, so I was able to open this one without damaging good condition one. So what do we have in here? First, you can notice we have staples all around the box, 8 on the cover and 8 on the bottom. So it is a pretty serious box. Labor intensive box manufacturing. Then we have cardboard in here, which was attached by adhesive tape. More cardboard. And we have one sealed plastic bag. I did already open this one. Here is the other part, containing one green bag with another time the sticker of part number. And if you open this, what do we have? We have one oil paper wrapping again. Very sticky this thing, and very not comfortable to manipulate, but luckily I was given already unpacked bolt by the seller. So here is what it looks like. Stainless steel apparently, imperial thread, engraved bolt reference here, the same number, and something like Rolls Royce, maybe 43M or 93M. It is quite difficult to read, so it might be a reference for a Rolls Royce jet engine, but I did not find anything about this part number on Google. So here is what we have. Another time the drug dealer scale to check the weight of the bolt itself. 31 grams, 0.8. Okay, so quite interesting, even if I have absolutely no idea of what to do with 100 of them. So they are all from 1983, I believe. January, March, April, but so some of them have some oil. Apparently they were stored in a workshop, and some of them who got some oil, but other ones are in quite a clean condition, and given the packaging, no question, they are all in the same pristine condition. Very interesting. I will try to unwrap this one. You can see it is super sticky, so very time consuming packaging, obviously. Yes, exactly the same thing. Here the reference is written on 2 lines. It is one little bit of a difference, but apart from this, it is the same part. So probably to attach together sections in a jet engine, I believe. I would love to find a jet engine parts drawing showing this particular part, but so far I did not succeed. Okay, so I will put back this one in its bag and in its box, where it will stay for ever, maybe, because I am not going to need to use one of those bolts for by wildlife, I believe. It is a very particular piece, and unless I redo a jet engine, it will probably not be necessary for me, but quite cool to have. And yes, achievement unlocked, I have something from Rolls Royce. So thanks for watching, bye bye.